Today is Monday. Today is Monday. I'm actually doing something down here, so I'm going to take you over there. But look at this stuff on my face. Can you see that? So stressful. I don't know what caused it, but it's been happening for a while. So let me take you guys to what to do. So I'm over here scripting, writing, scripting my videos basically for my for my Instagram post and TikTok post. So.
What's good, guys? Phew, so I finished like my interview, my risk interview, like an hour ago with the fivers or the 5%ers, and to be honest, I was very tensed. I answered their question. I answered everything. I showed everything, even though my network was acting up. My network did not let me breathe. I almost cried, but I think it went well. I mean, I can never be so sure. So they say I'll receive an email in 24 to 48 hours so to confirm whether or not they have accepted my payout and if the interview was successful. But I was a bit tensed. I was very tense because that's my first time doing that. So, but anyways, that's really it, guys. No updates. I saw XAU USD. It's dropping now, and I'm waiting for XAU USD. I might take XAU USD today or tomorrow. So watch out for that. So that's really the updates for now, guys.
What's good, yo? I'm just out here in this hallway, sitting and really thinking, trying to reflect. This is another week without my laptop. It's a painful one because I really, really, really wanted it to be here right now. But yeah, it's not here. It's not here. Should be expecting it on Friday. And I missed BTC USD trade because of it. That currently that trade is in the 1:6 BTC USD. So I'm really missing a lot. So yeah, I made mistakes with the whole process of the laptop. That's why I'm not really mad at anybody else. I'm mad at myself. But aside that, I'm still waiting for BTC to retrace. If that happens miraculously, I'm going to be trading BTC. And that's really it. I'm just out here. Just here. I'm waiting for my approval on my withdrawal. So if that comes through, then we are chilling. Chilling. Because I'm going to be getting, if I get a withdrawal, I'm going to be getting a 25k account straight up. So let's hope for it to come in. Let's expect that. Yeah, that's really it, guys.
Yo, what's up, guys? Oh my goodness. My payout has been approved. God. I don't know how to react. I missed a lot of trades, but it doesn't matter. My payout has been approved. That is all that matters. On Monday, I did my risk interview. It was a bit shaky because I was very nervous and I answered one of my questions wrong. I immediately corrected that. But aside that, my account has been on hold since Monday. I could not place trade. I missed a 1:14 BTC trade. I was not able to place that trade because my account was closed. And I missed an XAU trade too, which would have also stopped me out for break even though, so that's not really but yeah, my account was on hold. I sent them an email today and I just turned on my data now to see that my payout has been approved. I'm getting 140 something bucks. Majority of that will be going into buying another program account because I could not bear the type of stress I was going through, mental stress I was going through as well, that bro, if this account goes, I'm back to square zero. So I really need another backup, which is I'm going to be getting a new Profem account from this payout. Might be a 10k, might be a 25k, I don't know, but it's going to be funding people on another Profem. What else do I want to say? Fivers, thank you so much. I love you guys. I'm also going to continue investing in Fivers as well. But that's it. My payout has been approved, and I'm going to be getting my payout soon. I just saw that and my mind is going crazy, and now I can also place trade on my account again. Bruh, I'm so happy I just had to come here and share.
What's good, guys? So how's it going? So guys, I haven't updated you guys in a while, and I'm really sorry about that, but it wasn't entirely my fault. Why? Part of, first of all, some videos that I recorded, like real-time reaction and moments when my account was finally activated and my withdrawal was approved. My reaction, I recorded it, but I did not see the recordings again on my phone. So yeah, that. But I'm going to give you guys update of everything that has been happening this week. So you all know that you don't know, but they closed my account. My account was on hold because of the withdrawal I placed last week. So I had to do a risk interview. So the whole schedule from Wednesday to Friday last week was occupied. So I had to do the risk interview this Monday, and I did the risk interview, and I would say it went well. It went well. That was why my account was approved, obviously. But after the interview, my account was still on hold for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then they released it on Friday. That was great. No, I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then they released it on Thursday. So that was like 4 days my account was on hold after my interview. I mean, 3 days after my interview, my account was still on hold. But yeah, that was what I had to go through, and because of that, I missed a whole lot, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a minute. So
Guys, my phone is having issues with the heat. My battery is not that good, so because of that, it's getting hot. It's getting hot, which is making my videos not being recorded properly and always causing me break. Good guys, so yeah, I tried recording that video yesterday, and I actually did record the video, but the screen the screen recording was very bad. It did not even it recorded for like 30 seconds and then it stopped recording video and only audio. So I was so frustrated I had to leave it for the whole of yesterday and come back today. So that's why there's a delay in the posting. But yeah, basically let's just go on to the chat and let me talk about the pairs that we missed last week. A Let's Talk Forex video is going to be dropping tomorrow morning. I'm going to try to make that video this night too. So the video is going to be dropping tomorrow. So without further ado, let's hop into the screen and let's talk about the pairs and what the pairs that we missed last week. And yeah, that's basically what we are going to talk about, because this is like summarizing the video and all of that. So let's hop onto the chat. So right here now you can see, let me make sure this is recording. Okay, let me actually make sure. Okay, it's recording. Alright, so right here you can see oh, this is not the pair. Let's go to the pair. So guys, I'm going to try to be as fast as possible. But this is the first pair that I missed. So this, which is this gold. Now I want to talk about BTC first. Now, so this is BTC USD. So let's actually talk about this trade. So this is not how everything was. I recently analyzed the chart, so I altered and tempered with this stuff. So let me just go to how it was looking like when I was going to take the trade. So this is basically how it was looking like. BTC USD is a very interesting trade because I have a history with BTC USD. So I'm going to go over it quickly. You can see this was my last 3 trades on BTC. Have all been winners. So this was the first trade around here. My stop loss was a bit wide. I think this was like a 1:3 trade, and then this was my second trade, and then I think I even took a trade around here, but it stopped me for break even. So it's not a loss. So yeah, so this particular trade, the first trade I took for this pair was around here. There was actually a level here, which is this resistance. So this was the first trade. So I saw that, okay, I was buying around here, and then market did this stuff and made this multiple rejection
pattern around here, and the market broke here. The moment market broke here, I knew that okay, this is already a change in character, and this market is about to start selling. And then market did this retracement into the support that have now turned resistance, and I was like, okay, I'm going to start selling from here. And then around here I sold. So my first position was here. My first position was around here. So normally I would have taken this trade around here. Let me just quickly delete this off. I would have taken this trade around here because this was where market gave the evening star candlestick pattern. If you can, let me zoom in closely so you can see it. So around here you can see an evening star candlestick pattern forming like this around here. So you can see the evening star candlestick pattern here. So on this close of this bearish candle is where I would have taken the trade. But the way I trade, I don't really take my sell from here. If the market is overextended, I always wait for like a retracement into the last candle before the candle. So if a bearish engulfing happen, and then there's the next candle after that bearish engulfing forms, I always wanted to go and tap the previous week of the candle before that bearish engulfing. So that was exactly what I did here. This was supposed to be where I sell, but then my entry was around here, and then my stop loss was above here, just above here. And if this trade had gone to my overall take profit, that would have been like a 1:16. But then around here, where market gave us a 1:1 and also tested this level around here, I decided to break even. And so as you can see, market got to a 1:3, and then it reversed and stopped us out for break even. So this first trade was invalidated. I was now waiting for market to break below this weekly level. So if you don't really know how to trade, this is a weekly level. I was waiting for market to break and retest this weekly level, and then as we can see here, market broke it and retested. I was actually on the chart where market made this move, and I was about to take the trade, only to realize that I could not place trade on my 5 hours, and the stuff really got to me, and yeah, that happened. But then as you can see, this trade only took 4 days, if I'm not mistaken, to get to our take profit of a 1:11 plus. So it took 4 days to get to our take profit of a 1:11. So my take profit was at this high, probably around here. So a 1:13. You can see 1:13. How many pips? This 800 and right. This is like 970 pips. Crazy. 900, almost 1,000 pips. So if I put this stuff here, so you can see how many pips and also how many days it took. So to the take profit here, this was 4 days. This was 3 days. This was 3 days and 16 hours, and this whole trade is 1,049 pips. 1,049 pips. Crazy. So you can just say 1,000 pips because here it's saying 990 something, here it's saying 1,000. So this was the first trade I missed, and it got to my bones, because if I cut half, let's just say half of this move, so around here, this is a 1:8. If I'm risking $100, that's $800. So yeah, it got to me, and I didn't really take it that personal until the next trade. So if you go to GBP USD, no, the next trade was actually XAU. So if you go to XAU USD, you would see that this one actually got to me, because I literally posted this one on my WhatsApp status, and I was about to enter the trade. I was like, this is the trade I'm on. Oh. If you want to join, you join. Only to find out to remember that, oh, this stuff is not placing, and it really got to me. I'm not going to lie, it got to me badly. So this is XAU USD. Sorry, this is not the XAU I analyzed. Let me go to the XAU I analyzed. I analyzed this one, but then this is not the XAU I was looking at that day. This is the XAU. So you can see here now, why did I decide to sell? So this one is as clear as day. If you look at this, if you look at what's happening here, you will just tell the market has been rejecting from this support. So this was a support turned into resistance, and then market started rejecting. Market tried to go up, rejected. When I saw this move, I actually took a sell from around here, and then I closed here for like a 1:1 point something, because I knew that market might turn over from here, and market actually did turn over. And after we did this move, I was actually expecting a retracement. I was expecting a retracement, and I actually took a screenshot of it. So I was expecting a retracement into this level around here, and then we sell to the downside. But this did not happen. So this was what I was expecting to happen, and it did not happen. And when we got to this level, first of all, this trend line was not there, but this trend line is also a confirmation, is a confluence. I did not see this trend line when I was analyzing, but this trend line, it was later on, after the trend had already played, I saw that, oh, there was even a trend line the market had to go and test. This was a trend line the market had to go and test. So like a trend line that was like bounced, the market bounced off the trend line like a third touch. And you know what we say, you know what Dapo Willis say about third touches on a trend line. So it's very dangerous. So I mean, it's very powerful rather. So the market, I did not see that, but what I initially saw was, okay, market is around this level here, market has dropped here. I want to see a retracement into here before a continuation to the downside. And then when market did this, I was like, yes, I can sell from here, but I want to see like a retracement, like a drop and then a pushback of some of like a pushback to the downside. So when I saw this stop was actually around here, right? This stop was actually around here. So market had broken out of here. When I was looking at it, market was broken out of here. So I was like, the market can drop inside here and then retrace into this bar here that has held in the past. I'm going to sell. And when market did that, I screenshotted it literally at the candlestick that I was going to enter from. So around here. And if you might be asking, why didn't you wait for market to come and tap here as you always do? It's because there was no wick on this candle. The candle closed with a body. So that there was no point doing that, because I knew market was most likely not going to retest there. And as you can see, at this point, market is at a 1:4.22, which would have also given me like $400. But if I risk $150 per trade, that would have given me like $750, which is crazy. But it has happened. It has happened. It has happened. But let's actually continue to the last pair. The last pair is GBP USD. This one happened on, I think, on Thursday. I called it out too on my WhatsApp. As well. And as you can see here, market just opened. Crazy. Market just opened. I'm actually recording this video on a Sunday night, so yeah, market just opened right now. I don't know why this is delaying. Is this? No, I'm not sure this is the GBP analyzed. I don't know why this. Oh, it actually is. It's the GBP USD analyzed. Okay, so GBP USD, you can see this trade setup. I purposely left this untouched so that I can come and talk about it. So you can see this one, there's not much explanation. It's just a clear break, retest, and then I was going to take the sell from here, but I was like, I'm not really sure. I want to see market play around here too. And when market did this, I was like, yeah, this is the time to enter. As you can see here, I called this sell for a year. And if you notice this same stuff I just spoke about, I also did it here. So as you can see, when market gave this candle and then dropped this big, yes, I can sell from here, but I was not going to sell from here. I was going to sell from this touch here. And even though it's very little, it might be like 1 pip, but that 1 pip might also help me, because if I'm to get 899 people, that 1 pip will make it 900 people. But yeah, I always just do that stuff to, you know, have a more sniper entry trade. And it can also be very dangerous because market might miss you. But this was literally it. Market is already at the 1:2 or 3 right now. So guys, this is the end of this week vlog. I know I'm posting this in like a new week and all, but it's not really my fault, and it's also my fault at the same time. I'm sorry, but I'm going to post a Let's Talk Forex video tomorrow. More videos are going to come out tomorrow. GBP is already dropping crazy. More videos are going to come out this week. I'm going to be more active and all. So I'm promising like 2 videos per week. So guys, thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, do well to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell icon so you'll be among the first people to see my videos whenever it drops. Thanks and peace out.